What up, my people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you you can see from the title that I am going to be making a review, and today's review is one very important, good and very friendly, smell nice, and is really good lotion. Like if you're a chocolate skin, and man, oh my god, you have a lotion to use, because this is just going to help you so much in different ways, and those ways are what I just want to tell you today and now. Alright, so if you do find this video interesting, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe, like smash on that subscribe button, and you can turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a prank, a challenge or a review. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Yeah guys, so this is the lotion I am talking about. Okay, so I'm gonna be coming closer so you guys can see, in case you're not seeing, because this container right here is white, and white can sometimes be so you know what I mean. So let me come closer. Alright, so this is it, 25% bonus. That is why it's this big. It's usually smaller than this. Cocoa butter formula with vitamin E heals and soften rough dry skin, 24 hours moisture, soften marks, tone skin. Alright, and this product is from Palmer's, and Palmer's, you know, they are the bomb in making some good cream. Alright, let me tell you one thing: when you're using this cream, you have no worries when it comes to stretch marks, because it's going to heal stretch marks. Now let me tell you some of the things it does on the skin. Okay, it is very fast in absorbing to the skin. It also prevents dry skin, it's smoothing marks and scars, it's suitable for eczema prone skin, it's suitable for dark spots, it's suitable for stretch marks, and it also contains vitamin E, which is very essential in increasing the elasticity of the skin. I love vitamin E and vitamin C, of course, because vitamin E helps to heal the skin, increase the skin texture, and it does make your skin look beautiful and supple. And also vitamin C helps to brighten and lighten up the skin. So that is why I love those two vitamins, and this actually contains one of them. Okay, so I'm making a review for this cream because I want to talk about the good part. I want to talk about how good this cream is in moisturizing the skin, also toning up the skin. Alright, this cream actually does not whiten up the skin. Okay, so no heed that it does not whiten up the skin. It does actually tone your skin, and it's really perfect for a brown chocolate skin, because it's just going to heal and remove any dryness around. It's really suitable for this kind of weather, this kind of harmattan season. Like really good. They are gonna be like, wow, why is your skin shiny when other people's skin are kind of rough, fracky dry and with some mark, all of that. So the skin actually does moisturize the skin. It's locked in moisture into the skin, and it gives you this fresh, smooth, and this beautiful chocolate kind of skin. And it also does tone up the skin. It's not like because it is a moisturizing cream, so it's just going to smoothen your skin without toning it up. This actually does tone up the skin. And if you have sunburn, because you've used some cream that is not suitable for your skin type, or that is not suitable when you are exposed to the sun, you can use this cream to repair your skin. One thing I tell people, it is really easy for you to damage your skin. but it is not easy for you to repair it back, because repairing up the skin takes a lot of time. Repairing up the skin takes a lot of power, and it takes a lot of knowledge also, to know what to use to repair the skin. And also some people actually do not give time, like patience, in repairing the skin. Alright, there's something I want to tell you. After you've damaged your skin with some rough, harsh oil and all of that, when you use this cream, it's just going to take you back to your original complexion. So I've gotten some subscribers who have asked me so many questions, like oh, I was fair before, I was bright before, my skin was toned up and all of that, and I used this particular oil and my skin so dark. Now I want to go back to that skin I used to, and they kind of send me pictures. Now what the first thing that comes into my mind will be like, there is no way you're just going to, automatically go back to that complexion, because you have to heal. All right, now you have to first of all go through the process of healing, and this cream would help you, go through the process of healing. Now if you were dark in complexion before you get to that light skin, it's just going to take you back to your original dark skin, and of course, but it's going to freshen your skin up, and it's going to smooth and polish your skin. Now after that, then you can use the Skin Success Palmers. Alright, this is cocoa butter, but it has the Skin Success Palmers, which I've done a review on like some days back. Alright, for the cream, and I've done a review on the lotion some weeks back. Alright, so you can use that to, after repairing and going back, you can use that to get lighting again. Alright, but this cream is going to help you if you have a dark knuckle, if you have a burnt, if you have an under eye circles, and all that skin discolorations and all of that stuff. So the cream is really good, and it smells really, really nice. It smells like heaven itself, and the consistency of this cream is superb. It's really, really very thick. It can be used on a baby, like really, really good. Alright, it makes your skin so soft, like a baby's bum bum. Like seriously, I'm not kidding here. And it really smells really good. Okay. Alright, so you can, if you want a good moisturizing lotion, a good moisturizer, a good cream that will lock in moisture onto your skin, a good lotion that would give you all the benefits the skin would require, you can use cocoa butter formula, because it has all the vitamins that the skin needs. You are going to be loving your skin right from the first week you start using this. Okay. Alright, so that is it for the skins, the cocoa butter formula Palmer's product. Alright, I've done so much review on this Palmer's product because I love it. Like, the soap is superb in removing dark spots. I showed you guys the last time I made a review on the cream that I myself used the soap of this Palmer's, and it really, really works like really, really good. Alright, initially I used to use a body wash and all of that stuff, but when I changed to the soap, it was really, really great on my skin. Alright, because I need my skin to be flawlessly beautiful and evenly toned. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so you can go ahead and purchase this lotion. It's perfect, it's good, it's a very good moisturizing lotion. And yeah, that'll be it for this review. If you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share the video for your friends also to benefit and know the lotion. I know the lotion is kind of popular, like Palmer's lotion is a popular kind of cream, but yet not everybody that knows about it. So if this is actually your first time knowing about this cream, yo, yeah, I mean, I do deserve a thumbs up, right? Yeah. And if it's not your first time of knowing this, let me know at the comment section. All right, so that will be it for today, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and peace. Bye guys.